Okay class, welcome. Our next topic for today is about tapos na tayo sa switch. We are now in our while looping, no? So let's try to understand ano ba yung while loop, no? So ang while loop, this is a kind of a function that loops through a block of code as long as the specified function is true, no? So the syntax of a while loop, so in short lang, ano ang ginagawa ng while loop? A code will be continuously executed as long as the condition is proven to be true, no? So, laging ikaw code yung same line of statement as long as the condition is true, no? So, ang syntax niya is, first we write the function while, then in this parentheses, this will contain our condition, okay? Next, we write open and close curly braces. Tapos dito class, ilalagay natin yung code na tuloy-tuloy i-execute as long as the condition here is proven to be true. Pagka false na, hindi na i-execute ng line. So for example, let us try to create a variable called x. Okay? Lagyan natin siya ng integer value 1. Okay? Lagyan natin na condition dito. For example, if x is less than or equal to 5, pagka ang x natin which is less than or equal to 5 is proven to be true, then the next statement will be executed, no? So mangyayari din yan, execute muna natin echo yung value ni x. Okay? Tapos class, after executing this, pwedeng we need maglagay uli ng isang statement. Pwede po ulit tayo maglagay ng next line of code, no? Using the increment function, no? Just to satisfy this condition and matapos na yung looping, ano? So we use the increment operator. So initially, first we use the variable. Then ang rule para ma-include ang increment operator, we add 2 plus sign. Okay, so mangyayari diyan, i-echo muna yung 1. Then, after echoing 1, or printing 1, yung ating variable holding the value 1 will be increased by 1. Okay? Tapos magluloop uli siya dito. Kaya yung value ng x, which is originally 1, naging 2, will be compared to the condition here, no? And the answer will still be considered as true, kaya ilulup pa rin, no? Hanggang sa ma-prove itong condition na ito as false, saka palang titigil itong execution dito. So, let's try to save and see the result. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, hindi na siya nag-loop to 6 dahil pagka naging 6 na yung value ng x, hindi na mamimit itong condition ito. The condition will be proven false at titigil na yung execution. Next, punta tayo sa next sa while state. While condition. So, bukod sa while, meron din tayo tinatawag na do while. The do while, no? So, ang rule naman sa do while, first, gamitin mo natin yung do function. Tapos, dito, isusulat natin yung ating while function. Okay? So, ang syntax niya ay Okay. So, the syntax looks like this, no? So, while, tapos yung condition, no? Then, terminated by a semicolon. Okay, so, do, initially, gagawin muna natin to, echo. For example, ay do, okay, so, ang unang line of state natin nito, we are just simply going to be printing x, no? Tapos, we increment x, the variable x, with 1, no? Every time this condition is proven to be true, no? So, if the condition x is less than or equal to 5, no? If this is condition, una muna mangyayari, i-execute mo na ito, no? Tapos, i-compare tong na-execute na value dito. Kung false, kung true siya, it will continue to loop, no? It will continue to execute this line of codes. Kapag naman, this condition is proven to be false na, no? then the execution would terminate, no? No longer loop, no? So let's try to save and run. Okay? So, ganun din ang sagot, no? Ganun din ang sagot. So, una nangyari, in-echo si 1, kaya may 1 dito. Then, nag-increment, kaya si x naging 2, ano? Kinompare si 2 dito, okay? In-echo uli si 2. Tapos, lumabas si 2 dito. In-increment, naging 3. Kinompare si 3 dito, okay? Naging 4, naging 3. In-echo si 3. Dinagdagan ng isa, naging 4. Kinompare si 4 dito. Okay, true pa rin. Satisfied pa rin. Echo si 4. Dinagdagan ng isa si 4. Naging 5. Kinompare si 5 dito. Not, okay. Fulfilled pa rin kasi equal to 5 pa rin. Ano? If x is less than or equal to 5. Since 5 is equals to 5, no? Ulit pa rin dito. Echo si x. Si 5. Nandito si 5, no? Increment si 5 ng isa. Naging 6. Yung 6, hindi na siya less than or equal to 5. Greater than na siya, kaya false. Hindi na siya nag-equal, no? Okay, so that's it for our while statement, no? I will see you guys in our next lesson.